What's up, Fortnite fans? Our Fortnite series continues. We have made a lot of things: a Fortnite Loot Llama cake, a Dusty Divot cake, some Fortnite cupcakes, and now I am going to show you how to make Fortnite camo cupcakes. If you like these cupcakes, give them a thumbs up, and then also comment below. Tell me some things you want me to make in the future Fortnite related as well. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Be sure to share this video with your friends. And we really want to continue our Fortnite series, so tell us some things you want us to make in the future. We'll see you next time. Bye.